Students, you studied the cyclic quadrilateral theorem in previous video. What is the statement of cyclic quadrilateral theorem? Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Today we study the converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Statement: if a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is supplementary, the quadrilateral is cyclic. From the given statement, I draw the quadrilateral ABCD. Therefore, I write the given in quadrilateral ABCD. Pair of opposite angle, I take angle A, angle C. Opposite angles. These opposite angles are supplementary. Hence, I write here angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is given. To prove quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic, we prove this theorem by indirect method. What is the indirect method? What to prove here? Quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. You consider quadrilateral ABCD is not a cyclic. Hence, I start the proof in this way. Suppose quadrilateral ABCD is not cyclic. We know that we can draw one and only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. Let these points are A, B, D. A, B, D. Means this circle is the circumcircle of triangle ABD. Means circle is passing through the point A, B and D. Hence, this circle is a circumcircle of triangle ABD. Now, point C. Where is the point C? Here, point C may lie inside, that is interior, or outside, means exterior of the circle. Now, I take case first. Let point C lies interior of the circle. In this way, point C lies interior of the circle. Now, draw ray BC such that this ray BC intersect the circle at point C dash and joint DC dash. Therefore, quadrilateral ABC'D is a cyclic quadrilateral. Why? All the points, point A, point B, point C dash, point D are on the circle. Hence, quadrilateral ABC'D is a cyclic quadrilateral. And you know, the opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Means angle A plus angle C dash is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle C dash is equal to 180 degree, equation first. But angle A plus angle C, angle A plus angle BCD, angle C means angle BCD is equal to 180 degree, equation 2, this is given. From 1 and 2, RHS of equation 1 and equation 2 same. Hence, LHS also equals. Therefore, I write here angle A plus angle C dash. This is equal to angle A plus angle BCD. On both the side, angle A, same. Hence, it cancelled. What remain? Angle C dash is equal to angle BCD. Angle C dash is equal to angle BCD. Name equation 3. Now, in figure, this angle C dash is equal to angle BCD. But this angle BCD is an exterior angle of triangle CDC dash. CDC dash या ट्रायंगलचा angle BCD हा काय? Exterior angle आहे. And you know the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle is greater than the remote interior angles of a triangle. In this triangle CDC dash, angle C dash, angle D are the remote interior angles. Means these remote interior angles are smaller than angle BCD. Means this angle BCD is greater than angle C dash or angle D. Hence, I write here angle C dash less than angle BCD, means angle BCD is greater. This is contradicts to the equation 3. Equation 3. Here BCD is greater than C dash. Here C dash is equal to angle BCD, means it is contradicts. Our assumption point C lie inside the circle is wrong. Similarly, we can also prove that the case second, point C lie outside the circle is wrong. Means point C is on the circle. Means point A, point B, point C, point D are on the circle. Hence quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic. Hence the theorem is proved. Now the next theorem is, if 2 points on a given line subtend equal angles at 2 distinct points which lie on the same side of the line, then the 4 points are concyclic. Here, according to given statement, I draw the figure here. Line AD, point C and point B lie on the same side of this line AD. Angle ABD and angle ACD are the subtended angles by this line AD. Therefore, given point B and C lie on the same side of the line AD, angle ABD congruent angle ACD, subtended angles are congruent or equal. To prove point ABCD are concyclic, means point ABCD are on the circle, that is quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. You prove this. You prove this theorem by indirect method. Now by indirect method, let points A, B, C, D are not concyclic, means point C is not on the circle. We know that one and only one circle passing through 3 non-collinear points. Let these points are point A, point B, point D. Means the circle is passing through the point ABD. This circle is circumcircle of triangle ABD. Means point C is not on the circle. It may be in the exterior or interior of the circle. Case first, let point C is lies in the exterior of the circle. Here, exterior of the circle. Draw segment AC such that this segment AC intersect the circle at point E, and draw the segment ED. Now in figure, angle ABD, this angle, and angle AED, these angles are inscribed in the same arc. Angle ABD, angle AED inscribed in the same arc. Hence, these two angles are congruent. Therefore, angle ABD congruent angle AED, equation first, angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent. Now, angle ABD congruent angle ACD, this is given. Angle ABD congruent angle ACD, equation 2 given. From equation 1 and 2, ABD are same. Hence, you write here angle AED congruent angle ACD. That is angle AED congruent angle ECD. Angle ACD, here angle ACD, you write angle ECD, different name of the angle. Equation 3. But in figure, angle AED is an exterior angle of this triangle EDC. angle AED is an exterior angle of triangle EDC, and you know that the exterior angle theorem, exterior angle is always greater than its remote interior angles of the triangle. Means angle C and angle EDC are the remote interior angles. These remote interior angles are smaller than exterior angle, means exterior angle is greater. Hence, angle AED greater than angle ECD by exterior angle theorem. This contradicts to the equation 3, here equal and here AED is greater than ECD. This is a contradicts to the equation 3. Means our assumption is wrong. Therefore, point C cannot lie outside the circle. Similarly, we also prove that point C cannot lie inside the circle. Therefore, point C lies on the circle. Means points A, B, C and D are on the circle. Therefore, points A, B, C and D are concyclic. Thank you.